The law of sines. Suppose we have a triangle with angles A, B, C, and we denote the sides by lowercase a, the opposite of angle A, B, and C. Then these three ratios are the same. Sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. In fact, we have three equations here. First ratio equals second, second equals third, and first equals third. Okay, this is called the law of sines. Now solve the following triangle. Let's do this example where A is 35 degrees. So let me put this data in this triangle. So A is 35, B is 15, and lowercase c is 5. Okay, this triangle does not have to be perfect, so I'm just putting 35, 15, and side C. So we are given angle, then side, and again angle. So this is called angle, side, angle, ASA case. Now we want to solve means out of 6 parts, 3 angles and 3 sides, we want to find the remaining. In this case 3 of them are given, we need to find the remaining 3. So angle A is given, angle B is given. Now we want to find angle C, and angle C is just 180 minus 35 plus 15, that's 50. As we know, the sum of 3 angles is 180, so C is just 180 minus sum of the other 2, that is 130 degrees. Now we use these ratios to find the remaining sides. Lowercase c is given, so I'm going to use first equals third, then I can find lowercase a. Okay, now sine A over A equals sine C over C, that is same as sine angle A is 35 degrees over lowercase a to be determined equals sine C, we just found C, 130 degrees, over lowercase c is 5. Since we have only one fraction in the left and only one fraction in the right hand side, we can cross multiply. This implies we can write in any order in the left, but since we are trying to find A, so let me write A times sine 30 first. So A times sine 130 is equal to 5 times sine 35. Now divide both sides by sine 130 degrees to isolate A. So A equals 5 sine 35 degrees divided by sine 130 degrees. Now use your calculator, just 5 times sine 35 over sine 130 degrees, and you will get the answer. Make sure your calculator's mode is set in degrees measure, okay, and it will be 3.74. Okay, so A is found. Now we need A is found. Now we need to find B. For I use second ratio equals third ratio because C is already given, so next is second equals third, and we will do the exact steps. So the second ratio equals third ratio, and sine 15 over B equals sine 130 over 5, and we are trying to find B. Cross multiply, so we get this. Divide both sides by sine 130, we get 5 sine 15 divided by sine 130, and using our calculator we'll get 1.69. So we found angle C 130 degrees, lowercase a side 3.74, and lowercase b side 1.69 final.